Hi guys, due to high customer request, I have added a link to my website where you can purchase the toys that I use with your baby birds. You can click on the picture directly or use the link below. The website is royalparrots.net. I hope you have a great day and don't forget to keep it birdie, guys. Customers always love to ask me what I do at night with the babies, and this is exactly what I do. Here's a little sneak peek while I hand feed some of the babies. Some of the babies eat 5 times a day, some of the babies eat 2 times a day. It just really depends on how old they are, if they're starting to eat by themselves, if they're starting to wean. But enjoy, this is what I do. Surprise! Why is he in a Chinese container? The customers might ask. Because baby cockatoos, when they're little itty bitty babies like this, tend to roll around, and it's normal for them to land on their back. You see the little bottom there is so round, and it's like one of those bobblehead things, or what were those toys a long time ago that kids had that had the round butt and they just wobbled? That's basically the cockatoo. And if they're not in a stable position after we hand feed them, he will roll back, and he'll aspirate himself. So we don't want him to die. We don't want him to aspirate himself. So we put him in a container or in a Tupperware because he's so tiny, so that he doesn't roll. So we've had a series of storms, and as you can see, the water in Texas sometimes when it storms doesn't go down as fast because the water is so dry and clay-like. So when it storms, the soil doesn't absorb as fast. Oh no! I was wondering why I'm hearing the flood because I just saw my peaches on the floor. I was just wondering why I couldn't see them from a distance. Get away! I don't want Luna or the dogs to eat it. That one. My peaches fell. Well, they feel kind of ripe though. Why did they stay so small? Are you serious? I thought we bought jumbo peaches like at the grocery store. These are like less than a golf size. I'm so glad I found them. Anyway, I was saying, in Texas, the soil is so dry and it's so clay-like that when it storms, especially we've had storms for like a whole week, sometimes it doesn't absorb as fast like in the Midwest or anywhere else. So, but what it does do is that it loosens up the soil for us to plant. And today, I'm gonna put my peaches somewhere. I'm gonna go put my peaches over there. But anyway, today we're planting a sweet southern cherry tree and my fig tree. I don't know if you guys remember, I made a video about the figs and how you're supposed to eat them a little pruned up because that's how they taste better. And here's my Celeste fig. And I've never smelled such sweeter leaves. Seriously, I want to smell it again. I've never smelled such sweeter leaves on a plant as the fig tree. It is amazing. Now, if anyone knows any other plant that has sweet smelling leaves, tell me because I just love things that smell good. And there's my Lola. There's my Lola girl. Excuse me, guys. I see you give love to one and then the other ones get jealous. So let me put my peaches over here for now. And let's check this out right here. Let me put my peaches right here. Look at all this soaked. It's all wet. It's all nice. You see my hibiscus growing there. This is my gigantic garden bed that I haven't finished yet. Actually, babe, we have one more tree over here. Yeah. I'm coming. We got one more tree over here. I forgot what this one was. I think this was a loquat tree. Let me take this over there. He says that mosquitoes are attacking him. They're attacking me too. All right. Let's go. All right. I found another loquat tree. All right, now we're gonna put the tree in, so I'm gonna put this video on pause.